Hello friends, and this is a specifically tutorial. It's not a tutorial, actually it's a demo video. Uh, for quantity calculation, there is different types of methods. One of them is called grid method. This is kind of method specifically used for area grading, construction earthworks. The earthworks specifically when you have a initial stage of survey, you have natural ground levels. It means without disturbing any earthwork, earth area. So after the proposed or after the finishing, you have to calculate the volume of how much cutting and how much filling. For that, surveyors and civil engineers, they are collecting the elevations from any grade from the four corner of area, and the next the finishing level also they will find out the four corners. So this red one is actually a natural ground level, and the blue one is finishing ground levels. So both are different, and this is the difference from the natural ground levels to finishing levels. So here what I did, from the help of artificial intelligence, Gemini, ChatGPT, finally I made the program. The program VBA. This VBA is the most and powerful system where our workflow is become very easy. So you can see here export grid first final. This is what I prepared. So I need some few grids. I will take these grids and I need to calculate the quantity from these grids. I just select, I will give the export. The final result will be boom. Yeah. You can see the grid numbers which I selected 2141, 1898, 1899, 1800, and that four corner of elevation red which I said earlier, this is a natural ground level, and the four corner of blue, and also the average level of red and average level of blue, and also the difference of these both average level, then area of the grid. This is actually 3 into 3. It means the 9 square meter is the area. So finally your volume will be this, and you selected grids have 2531.648 cubic meters of cutting. The total area covered 216 square meter. So this is the shortest and the very easiest way to identifying the volume, and this program actually I built this program, and anybody can learn this. You can see from here VBA run, and you can see my codes. This is what I my codes. Export grid for final, create large array, hold data in memory, raw column, create AutoCAD select spacepan, collect data into memory array. This is how we can build the VBA codes, and finally we get the result like this. And this is very useful for large number data, like the most have 4000 grids, which is not very easy, but this program will be very useful, and this is very open source and free. Anybody can build. And thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video.